With the increasing demand, numerous services emerged from major corporations to satisfy their customers. Among these innovations were credit cards, often referred to as Visa. Credit cards made their initial appearance in 1958, a service that was pioneered and introduced by Bank of America. These cards were specifically aimed at individuals from the middle class, the affluent, as well as merchants and owners of large businesses. The company then began to experience significant and rapid growth, expanding internationally by 1974. In 1975, it introduced the very first credit card that had a debit function, and it also integrated regional companies from various parts of the world, which eventually unified to form a single entity. Known as Visa, the company began offering its shares on the stock exchange just 1 year later in what is considered one of the largest initial public offerings in the history of the stock market. Visa later acquired Visa Europe, solidifying its position as the world's most ubiquitous payment network, now available in over 200 countries. Throughout its journey, Visa has consistently innovated, providing a multitude of products and services accessible across various platforms, including physical cards, computers, and mobile devices. So, what exactly are credit cards? A credit card is a compact, reinforced plastic card that is designed to be easily carried due to its small and convenient size. Credit cards are utilized for various payment and purchasing transactions, and they come with a predetermined maximum credit limit that the cardholder is permitted to use. This limit is set by the credit card companies themselves. There is a significant distinction between credit cards and debit cards. With a credit card, the amount of money spent is not directly debited from one's bank account. Instead, it is drawn from the available credit extended by the service provider. Payments are typically due once a month, and the cardholder has the option to pay the full outstanding balance or make a partial payment, with interest charged on the remaining balance. Credit cards were originally issued to facilitate and simplify the payment process for customers. Among the most globally recognized of these cards are Visa, MasterCard, and Eurocard. It's important to note that these cards must bear the account holder's name and card number. Essentially, a credit card can be defined as one of the financial instruments utilized for various transactions, allowing individuals to purchase products and services and transfer funds, with a commission deducted by the bank for the payment or the transfer. This makes it easier for individuals to conduct their financial transactions. There are several types of credit cards available. First among them is the balance transfer card. These particular cards offer a reduced introductory interest rate on financial balance transfers for a specific duration. The specific offers for these types of cards differ based on both the promotional interest rate and the duration of the promotional period. Rewards credit cards are specifically designed to provide various benefits and incentives to customers as a reward for using them to make purchases. These credit cards are typically divided into 3 main types: travel cards, loyalty points cards, and cashback cards. An individual's preference for these types of cards depends on their personal spending habit. Next, we have student credit cards. These cards are specifically designed to meet the unique needs of university students. This specific type of card offers a multitude of additional benefits that distinguish it from other credit cards. These advantages include a wide array of rewards, a lower financial interest rate, and various other notable features. Charge cards, sometimes known as debit cards, are a specific type of credit card. They are distinctive because they do not come with a predetermined spending limit. Instead, they require the full balance to be paid off by the end of each month. Additionally, these cards typically don't include any charging fees or minimum payment stipulations, because the entire outstanding balance must be completely settled. Secured credit cards are a particular type of credit card, offering a practical solution for individuals who either have no previous credit history or whose credit status has been negatively impacted. These cards necessitate an initial monetary deposit to act as collateral, and typically, the credit limit is generally equivalent to the amount deposited, and in some cases, it may even exceed that amount. Prepaid credit cards, often known as reloadable cards, are those that require the cardholder to load funds onto them before making any purchases. The cost of such purchases is then deducted from the card's loaded balance, and no further spending can occur until more funds are added. A limited purpose card is a type of credit card specifically designed for particular uses, valid at designated locations, and distinguished by minimal financing charges and reduced payment obligations. An ATM card, or automated teller machine card, is utilized to extract funds from your banking account via a personal identification number. The updated balance in your bank account is promptly reflected following the withdrawal, with the daily withdrawal amount restricted by the bank's predefined daily limit. This card also provides the convenience of checking your total account balance and facilitating money transfers between different accounts. In contrast, an ATM card is not suitable for online banking transactions. Furthermore, it cannot be utilized for purchasing items on e-commerce websites or at brick-and-mortar retail establishments. The Smart Card, as in Smart Card, is a specific type of credit card functioning as an electronic payment method. It incorporates an integrated circuit that's built in, along with an embedded internal memory chip. This card connects directly to the reader or wirelessly from a distance. It boasts a substantial data storage capacity due to its built-in microcontroller. Furthermore, it intelligently interacts with the card reader, encrypts information, and performs mutual authentication, which significantly enhances its security and reliability. This makes it one of the most secure and dependable card types. This makes them among the safest and most reliable types of cards available. The debit card, for instance, provides extra functionalities for cash withdrawals, bill payments, and conducting purchases both online and in physical stores, thereby streamlining transactions and making them more convenient and efficient. And using the debit card, you can obtain a mini statement of your last 5 transactions and information regarding your account balance, in addition to the ability to change your PIN, request a checkbook, and deposit cash into your account through the ATM Now. On the other hand, a debit card requires available funds in its linked account at the time of purchase. Moreover, using it also entails entering a password or PIN. The Affinity Card, also known as the Affiliation Card, is a type of card issued by some banks specifically for non-profit organizations and charitable institutions to offer support. This is achieved by donating a percentage of the transaction amount to these institutions each time the cardholder uses the card. These institutions include sports teams, alumni associations, professional societies, and universities. Neither the cardholder nor the merchants bear any additional expenses. Instead, the bank entirely covers the costs of the donation. These institutions profit from these credit cards as they serve as an effective means of support and guarantee a consistent inflow of financial resources, even though the amounts may be small and limited. Meanwhile, the banks issuing these cards greatly benefit from their partnerships with charities or organizations. This collaboration allows them to significantly expand their market reach, cultivate strong goodwill with their customer base, and effectively promote additional products and services to cardholders. On the other hand, this specific type of card offers fewer benefits to its cardholders, for instance, by imposing higher fees on transactions carried out through its use. In this video, we explored the history of credit cards and their various classifications. In our next video, we will delve into a detailed discussion of secured credit cards and their distinctions from other types of cards.